You guys, hi. So today is Sunday. I'm actually right now at an estate in Lekki. I'm walking out of my house to meet my friends so we can go protest. Yes guys, I have been following this whole endsars movement online on social media, you know, lending my voice to the cause. So today I decided to be more proactive and I'm actually going to join the protesters. You guys, I think everybody's supposed to put on black on black, so this is like a tracksuit I have on black with the pink innerwear. This is the jacket, so I'll probably put this on when I get there. My only regret is that I don't have a face cap because the sun is scorching. I don't know if you guys can see, it is so sunny. So I just have this bag here, and in here I have my handkerchief, I have my power bank and my cable to charge my phone because I'll definitely be needing that. I have, oh, I forgot to take my earphones. I guess I won't be needing those anyways. I have my hand sanitizer, I have my face mask, I have some money, I have my ATM card. And if you're going to be moving around on the streets of Nigeria with an ATM card, make sure it's an account that you don't have too much money in. So yes, I took that precaution. Ooh, I have no makeup on. I don't really see the need putting makeup to be walking under the hot sun in Lagos. So you guys, I'm going to be protesting and I'm going to be vlogging it for you guys. Come along with me. So I'm meeting up with a friend of mine. I'll show you guys when I get to where he is, and I hope it goes very peacefully and that I'm safe. So you guys, yeah, and SARS.
Oh, so fabulous.
You guys, going was not easy. With a fine bus to take us to Lekki Tollgate, it was difficult. So there's some traffic. There was heavy traffic yesterday. You can see some of the youths here. They've like created like a roadblock and a barricade. Yeah, so that's my friend, yo.
What's up?
Emeka. Good luck. Say hi. Good luck. Say hi. Yes, so. Our Mumu done too. Is that where it's happening?
This is preview.
This is a preview, ba? Okay. Alright. Inshallah Johnny will be walking. No problem. So when the protest is up to 30 days, UN is going to join us.
Just put tent at this thing.
UN. Yes, so. Endsars. Some people are looking at me. What's going on here?
I don't want my battery.
They cook jollof rice.
They are cooking. Oh, they cook on ground.
Go to it. We need to cook jollof rice. For road and it's sweet, guys. It's sweet past burial rice.
Past burial rice.
I said that.
So this is the preview. Okay. We're passing the toll gate now. The main business.
I said, if they don't give me, go give for them. Oh, this was a good for protest.
You guys, we're taking a bus right now.
So this was
We want to buy hats because of the sun. How much are we buying it?
500, don't worry.
Let's go. Give me the one. Okay. So I bought the hat.
buy cars, small money, very nice cars.
One problem solved. So you guys, I'm ready.
Now you're going to the main protest.
So you guys, can you see them behind? People are walking down to the protest ground. This is crazy, guys. There is the
bike guys are coming to meet.
That's power bike.
You just gave birth. You just became a father. You want to go where? Sit down in your house.
Many people selling shawarma.
So yeah. Eat now.
I thought they said they were sharing things free, please.
They are sharing things free, but you can still eat. If you don't want, but
yeah.
Let me tell you the picture of the Nigerian workers. They said Nigeria illiterate. They said Nigeria fraudulent. Are we fraudulent?
No, we are not fraudulent.
They said Nigeria is security. Now, they have said
you guys
said what they want to say about us. Now we will tell them what we want to say about ourselves.
I want to see the people there.
Go say that to Mola, oh, government is sleep. Some man there, they kidnap we take it. Country no safe. Old man they drink us, happy Independence Day. If you get time for 11.
Use them, take on fighters. All the people where they use our tout, our youth when not go school, when they use them destroy our Nigeria in the name of when we get the money, they come to our naira to tissue paper. They come they sell them for us for 602, 630. Oh, go do it. Anybody for here, for Nigeria, where you know say you don't sell your loyalty, then put them suffer.
Oh yeah, see, my guy now reminds me about voters.
They gave us free cake,
yo. I can't tell on that discount whether they use for this voters card. You know, how many people Swati go kilo? I said, how many people police go kilo? Oh yeah, hey, now go kill us there. You say, oh yeah, today, tomorrow no more. I said today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, oh yeah, today. You saw it. I can't hear your voice. We must always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. If you're angry, solidarity forever. Oh, solidarity forever. We shall always fight for. Can we do it one more time? Let's go. Solidarity forever. Sing it like a minute. Solidarity forever. Everybody. Solidarity forever. We will always fight for right. Nigeria, oh yeah! Nigeria, oh yeah! Boys, oh yeah! Women, oh yeah! Children, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, listen. Don't be intimidated, right? What we are doing, is it wrong or right? Is it wrong or right? You are treating us bad. We are here to say, please, do us well. Baba, do us well. Do you know that Nigerian army that goes to Sambisa to fight Boko Haram, you know, say when Boko Haram kill you when they fight for Nigeria, you don't go with that, nothing else. We say, if you be Nigerian army, when go fight Boko Haram, when die, your pikin, make government give us free education. It's too much. I said, we get government school at least. I mean, we get government school. That means government not go spend money. They just carry them, put them inside their own school. I mean, we get federal universities. The federal government get them. Man, I know say more like carry the pikin go abroad, go school. more than put down for our federal university. See, police when we dey say make dem increase their salary. If you go police barrack, my sister, my brother, you go be like say na poultry you enter. If you see police barrack, you go cry. Person go comot from that kind barrack, he go come go Banana Island, go dey stand for front of one big man. He go stand. When he close, he go go back to that place where he dey. How much dem dey sell paint wey federal government no fit buy take paint barrack? Paint. Only paint. We say police reform. They say okay, they don't hear. No tell us say you don't hear. Start action. If they say as we dey protest, government don't buy paint, they paint barrack. They say okay, oh, more than no first, oh, we don't take care of police, oh. You know how our mind gonna come down, abi? They never do anything. We say compensate the families of the people where police kill. You never call any family. Now yesterday, now someone who come go visit the people for Lagos because you say everybody say hey. Let's do it again.
Old man, they greet us, happy the better day. If you get time for a level, they will put you inside the cold way. We don't want sars. We don't want sars. We don't want sars.
Papa, Celestial Pizza. Government, you fucking the wrong generation. You fucking the wrong generation. You're fucking the wrong generation. You fuck the wrong generation. You fucking the wrong generation. Greatest Nigerians. Greatest Nigerians. Greatest Bibi. Greatest Bibi. Bagba. Gbogbo. Bibi. Gbegbe. Ba. Bo. Be. Bi. Bo. Ba. This is where we will get right now in Nigeria. So it's okay. When I care for my brother, my people, make we no lose focus. What do you want? 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 What do you want?
Guys, we moved to the other side of the toll gates. We were at the other side before, so we just came forward. I wanted to see what this place is like. This place is like more scanty. This is like, let me tell you, like the backstage area basically. The people are just chilling, they are sharing food. I don't know if you can see some queues behind me. People are queuing up for food. There are these people, I don't know what they are riding. Are those power bikes? What are those? They are riding that stuff, Sha. This is very peaceful. There is a happy, united feeling and spirit on this protest grounds. They were making reports of like 12 car keys that have been returned. Like the MC was talking that they have 12 car keys and they've been announcing like if you're looking for your car key, come and get it. There was a child that was like separated from his parents and they're like, if you're looking for your child, come here. Phones, nobody has ever reported their phone stolen. Instead, if a phone gets misplaced, they take it over there and the guy announces like no robberies, no No stealing, no fighting, no, like, you guys. I am so impressed. Like, Nigerians are peaceful, there's brotherly love, there's unity, there's a united front, and everybody here is patriotic. You guys, this is amazing. I'm so glad that I came. So glad. Look at, because the sun has gone down. I know I should be wearing my face mask, but man, sometimes it can be hard to breathe in that face mask. So you guys, this is what is going on. I'm so happy being here.
It's been a long day. I let you
It's about 8 p.m. right now. I am tired. People are going to be here. Some people have even started sleeping here. Like, some people spend the night here. Me, I'm tired. It's almost 8, but I think I can still do 1 more hour. I had to buy shawarma and take it with a can of malt. Although they were sharing food, but the queues are so long. Look at one of the food queues.
Me we don't first pass on dance.
That's a food queue. I ain't got time for that. That one I will just like faint before the food gets to my turn.
We shall always fight for our rights.
My people, are you ready? If I say Buhari, you go say Were Soroso. Say Were Soroso. Buhari! Check out. Buhari! Buhari! You check out. Yeah, you go. On the greatest Nigerian. Greatest of the greatest Nigerians.
I'm finally home. Go home safely. It's about 10 p.m. right now. It was a nice experience. I felt very patriotic. I felt safe. For some reason, I wasn't even clutching at my purse or being overly conscious about losing anything, because, you know, they had talked about how people's missing phones had been returned and stuff like that. And it was just overall peaceful. There was no roughness, there was no confusion, there was no stampede, there was no danger, no attacks. I'm so happy that I could lend my voice to the cause. I wish I had gone with sunshades. I wish I had gone with a face cap. I wish I had worn canvas instead of slippers. I think those are the 3 things that I'd say you can do differently if you decide to go to protest.
My people, are you ready? If I say Buhari, you go say Were Soroso. Say Were Soroso. Buhari! Check out. Buhari!